Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Webster County, southeastern Dallas County, northwestern Wright County, Laclede County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Conway to near Niangua, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Bennett Springs State Park, Morgan, Conway, Niangua, Phillipsburg, Bennett Springs, Twin Bridges, Eldridge, Sleeper, Ritter, Long Lane, and Dry Knob. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 106 and 141. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Dallas, Laclede, Webster, and Wright.
Got a tornado trying to develop. It's